May red dot sa gitna. Scout.
Wait.
Already said.
Yun to. Si
Yeah, wait,
RT to.
wait.
Oh, yeah.
Dead.
Opening my game.
Alert guys, alert na. Baka they might
Arch
rush.
with Newton.
Alert.
Setting. Anyone have bendies? Alright.
Archid is with Newton already.
Namatay si Shao.
Hindi, legend yun,
Hindi,
legend.
legend.
Ah, legend, okay.
Mga account niya yata sa legend.
May palagata sila kasi
Sorry.
nandun si Pari, Esther. Ewan ko lang kung may iba pa.
You see dice right?
Buff guys. Guys, you can buff now. They might rush. Just to be ready. Eat your buff. Nasa loob ka na, Paps. Eleven minutes pa naman. Nakapasok ka na, Paps?
Sino? Ako?
Oo.
Hmm.
Sige. 10 minutes.
So,
Okay,
you're
okay siya.
on the left side What? Top?
You can change outfit if you want. It's
Okay.
it's so bright.
I thought you don't want that.
No, it's okay.
So flashy.
Exactly.
Enemy will kill me fast.
Kalaban.
Enemy,
patay na.
Nakakotse. Ay, sino to? Hindi pala, hindi.
Medyo may ano kasi ako guys Kaya base mo no. That's may isan ba kayo bala diyan naman sila bani.
Ano yun? Bakit?
Hindi, ang focus sa sa docu team. Base team ako.
Bakit?
Basta nga, tangki
Masakit daw yung kaliwang kuko niya.
I'm sim.
Oh, English.
No, we just gossiping. Relax,
Oh.
love.
Even better. I want to hear.
Kalaban dito.
Bobo.
Guys,
Sa likod, tutalin. Isa-isa.
Si Archit.
Nang titis yan.
So,
Big natin, pre.
I think we're gonna focus B1. Ano
Malay ko sa'yo.
Cause right side is Newton and
Oo, B1 tayo, B1. Left side lang tayo.
base
Maglaro.
team B1. We're gonna focus B1, but all main team focus docu first docu.
People in B1.
They're trying to occupy it early, I think. Guys, don't forget to plant beast trap. Ah.
Kita ko sabihin nun, naglalakad sila.
B1?
Papunta ta dito, papunta ta dito. Ewan ko lang.
Ready for clash ha?
Ayun, papunta dito, clash
We,
clash.
we have red in our in our side.
Hey, Sam, hello.
Yo, what?
Bro, someone took my space.
What?
They're pushing
Parang
us.
sila.
Oh,
Ang
Someone
dami.
took my space.
why?
I don't know why.
Oh, someone
he
took-
entered.
Wait, gonna
Oo.
check.
I don't
Sino
know.
yung
who
nawala?
took my space.
Clash. There's
Don't
still many
forget
red
to
left.
buff ha. Titan element. And Rainbow Paradise. Let's go guys.
Tara, baba.
Push them,
Tara,
push them.
baba.
Marami red left.
Let's push.
Anong camp pala to? Newton.
Newton.
Push them. Don't let them push us.
Yan, babawasan na.
You can wipe them.
Basta. Baba na.
Meron pa.
Below.
Hey, Sam, 2 people entered. 2 of us are outside.
Gusto yung bumaba dyan, gang.
2 of main
Wait.
team are outside.
Already below.
Let me
Baba kayo.
check.
Follow us.
Sino yung pumasok na ano? Hindi ko makita. Main 20 naman lahat to eh.
Someone took one slot ha.
Wait, tatlo yung apat yung OMG sa map. Apat ba? Wait. Ano ba to? 1, 2, 3. Tama, apat naman. Sino yung pumasok?
You cannot remove them or what?
Later, 4 minutes.
Ah, okay.
Wait bro. Just stay there.
Okay.
That's why we must enter early. So
Regroup.
Sino ba yung ano? You
Teka,
sure
titingnan ko
this
yung
all
map,
main team ah. Don't push so far guys. Let's stay
3 minutes
here.
left.
3 minutes. We're gonna focus our side of the dock. If they still still attacking us, I think we need to push the other side. What do you think, Bunny? Pre-dock and Newton nun. Mas malakas Newton kesa sa Legend. I think we need to
Yeah.
focus on Newton. Newton side guys. So we're gonna fast switch. Docu team and base team stay together.
Dax, do you have slot now?
Nope.
Okay, wait. Who's that?
Double check the lineup. Don't forget to, to remind the buff, guys.
Ah! Alam ko na, Paps. Kaya hindi makapasok si Dax.
Oh.
Pumasok pa si Swarovski, di ba akala ko hindi siya makapasok yung account niya. Nandito siya ngayon, no? Pati yung kay
Just
Major
wait.
nandito din. Wait lang.
Saul.
Yes.
Sige na, ako na
Meme.
lalabas ako.
I'm streaming.
No, you're not.
The fuck?
Palit na lang
Sige,
sa
sige.
akin.
Diyan ka lang, Bones. Diyan ka lang, Bones.
Semis na lang ako lalaro.
Ha?
Semis na lang ako lalaro.
Wait lang. Wait.
Next week semis
Second.
naman na, di ba?
Next week
Hello,
ata.
hello.
Oo. Umulan pa, umulan.
Uy.
Going
Bro.
Ducks.
"40 Ready Bakel.
Uy.
Nawawala yung stream mo, Sol.
Lab, may
30 second.
Oh, I'm in.
Bro,
Yes, what's up?
it's stopping. Sorry, sir.
Why?
Don't know. Wait, I'm gonna try
20
again.
second, 20 second. Saan tayong donks? Up, left or right?
Tayo natin.
Check surrounding first.
Yung nearest sa atin,
Okay.
Kami. 5 second. Ayun, yun. Lapit.
Ligod.
Left.
Ayun o,
Left.
highway.
Left. Focus left first.
It's because you use different Discord, Saul. That's why you cannot.
No. Because of my internet.
May
I
red
think.
dot ah. Protect the call there. May mabol ba?
Wala. Epas yan, gang.
Wala.
Legend yung isa
Fast play,
papunta.
Ay,
Let's fast
dito umikot.
Doon tayo sa legend, gang. Backup kayo sa legend. Safe na
Legend
yata yun.
papunta na.
Safe.
Let's
Go.
say-
Tara.
Other
Pa legend na, maabutan yata ni Rusher.
Hindi ginawa ng Newton.
Motor na to, man. Pacman.
Eh, Nitro man. Letter F.
Gago, bababa ako nun.
Uy,
Ay, bababa ako nun.
Going Newton.
Going Newton side.
Si yata baba.
Going Newton, my bro.
Okay. Going Newton. Go this vehicle, guys.
Ang hirap mag-control ng sakyan dito.
Yeah, it's hard to drive.
Shit! Ano ba itong motor ko, Rusi?
Almost, makukuha
Pacman.
na nila, gang.
Stroll na.
Don't let's
Pacman!
get it.
Focus. Use vehicle. Delay.
Mati? Ay, pucha.
Ay,
Day in, bro.
Already.
Oh, time
Okay,
first.
focus.
Bati na. Wala na docu, man. Stop shooting.
1 minute C base.
Yoko na dyan. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.
So,
Focus tayo dyan.
next docu, we're gonna focus Newton,
My God, man.
2 minutes for B-base.
B1 Sol.
Yes. Gonna focus B1.
Ay, no, server to, puta, puro bow.
Baduy. Kunin natin si C2.
Yeah, take C base. Take our side guys ha. Base team.
We are color blue, guys.
Stay together guys ha.
Okay, pwede lang drone.
Alam mo,
40-second B base.
Ready for ano? B base guys. Base team.
Tara Bunny, punta tayo dito
Coming,
Bunny.
coming.
Okay.
Wait lang, hanap lang ako outfit lang.
Most of them are at C3. Which camp
Dito
is
na ako
that?
dito day.
Legend is
Ako, ang dami sa
at
taas
C3
Bunny. Ayoko muna dyan.
all together.
Patayin mo sa taas Bunny.
B.
Patayin nyo.
Uy, pasok sa B1. Wala pumapasok.
B1, warrior. Go B1.
Ito, dami pang B-strap dito gang sa B2 gang.
Hindi
Always
natin
step
Newton.
on base guys ha. Don't forget. Where is Newton?
Sa B2 ata.
Dito
Dito
sila
may
orange.
dalawa dito.
B2 and C2. Newton.
Malawag naman yung B1. Pwede nyo diretso yung B2.
Sige, I'm gonna stay in B1.
I'm gonna die, man. Nasa bito ako ah.
Just report guys, always.
Di ako
Daming distrap sa B2 gang.
Nakaka-free hit sa B2. Yung hirap.
Marami sa B2.
A lot of people on B2.
We got C2.
Yes, B2. Marami.
Dalawang camp ata to.
Let them fight. But we can take advantage of it.
Wala, winning dito yung Newton gang.
Clear nyo yung Newton. Let's focus Newton. Hit Newton guys. Dock you side of Newton ha. I'm gonna focus the second dock.
Katulong B2 gang.
Dock team.
Teka, may pinapatay
Let's
lang
help
sa labas.
B2 ah. Dock team, we're gonna focus Newton side. So let's go B2. Time check. Dock you.
2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Free hit ako sa B2. Free hit.
Hindi kaya ng gang, legend.
Konti
Bago.
lang kami. Hindi naman bumubuhat mo. Let's focus Newton side guys. Dock you team, go Go B2 side. Warrior be aggressive.
Nasa taas sila Lia.
High ground. Can you you snipe high ground, guys?
Aray ko, daming B2.
Bobo. Ay! Fuck you, man. Ang ina lang ka.
Putang ina. Kami naman kalaban.
Kami Newton dito, gang.
Thank you.
Dapat na mabayad.
One piece na naman.
Gawa mo
Tayo
Rusher.
na mo, Rusher.
Ang puta. Uy,
Gago eh.
patay mo to pag napatay to atin na tong bilog, promise.
Dokyo, 40.
40 second, Doc.
Di, patay mo Rush. Pag napatay mo natin na yung bilog.
30 second, Doc.
Art, ikaw mag-scout Ako dito.
Kailangan ko ng heal, man. Let me escort you.
Wait lang, magbayo ako.
Bayati ka, man.
May nag-FT dito man.
Kami dyan, pre.
Di, pre, dalawa mo dito, pre. Lumipanis lang lahat lang.
5 second, Doc.
Focus Doc
Tayo,
Doc
gang.
team.
Okay, Doc, yun na kayo, gang. Yung malapit sa Newton, kunin nyo, gang. Yung malapit sa
Newton
Newton.
side, we're gonna focus Newton side.
B2, B2.
Newton side, guys. Newton side. Doc team. Go there. Microplay. Base team, microplay, assist,
I got
Newton side tayo magdodok, boy.
Right side,
Oh,
right side,
Newton
right
side,
side,
Bunny.
right side. Oh, right side.
Ano yung malapit sa town?
Isa B2
Wait lang,
size.
walang tao dito. Ako
Right
lang
side,
tao
guys.
dito eh.
I'm gonna
Nasa
move
Newton
na-
ah.
Guys,
Oh,
Newton side, Doc team.
Ba't kailangan kunin yung sa bila? Eh, bigay mo sa legend yun.
Doc team, let's go.
Tangina bangka.
Scattered tayo.
Late naman kasi command mo, boy. Nasa left sila
Ah,
lahat eh.
Kanina
Sige,
ko
Art.
sinasabi
Ako
Newton
bahala
side
sa'yo.
eh.
Heal kita.
Let's
Pasok
go
ka lang
Newton side, Doc team.
Pasok ka lang.
Mapapasok na nila?
Malapit na, pero try ko
Tama na, I cannot, man.
Hey, Doc yung isa, papasok ko na yung isang, Doc.
Pasok
Okay.
na lang.
In.
Nain mo na yung Doc.
Oo.
Made-delay
Guys,
ba?
delay. Can you delay?
No,
Can we delay?
hindi. Konti lang tayo dito.
Nain na nila.
Delay.
Na-delay. Na-delay. Guys. Focus delay. Yan. Dying.
Miss Baker, guys. Doc team.
Dying, ha?
Napasok na, hindi pa.
Joke boy, trying ah. Wala akong makancel, gago.
Pasok
ano
na
ba?
lagang. Okay lang yan.
Next round, guys, we gonna focus Newton side, guys.
B2 Sol.
Let's try. A1, time check, A1. 2 minutes. We need to plant
Tagal pa
base trap in A1. Some of you, Doc, you team plant base trap now.
Yan.
Ang cool kasi itong legend ang puta. Pupunta pa ng A1. Doon ka na sa B2.
Kotse, nagliliparan man.
Two minutes pa yung A1, 2 minutes.
Ang ina na napakasakit. Hindi mapasok dito, gang. Na-position na yung mga ano.
Yung?
Mga idiot. Sa loob.
Everyone is focusing on Vito, I think.
Dito lang.
Red on B1 ah. Let's go regroup guys in A1. Docu team, A1 then gonna push B2 ah. We're gonna
Wag na.
push B2.
B1. Gang, kiniklear yung B-strap oh.
B-stop. They're clearing the A1.
Wag na, yaman na B2 gang. Bigay mo na yan, gang.
Okay. We're gonna focus sa Docu team A1 now. And base team ah. We're gonna hold B1 and A1. Don't forget to rebuff guys. They're trying to push now ah. Newton pushing in A1 side.
Gang, pushing na sila, gang.
Pushing, ready to intercept. Many ready here on higher ground guys. We need to control A1 so we can win.
Guys, ang dami na nila.
Everyone is pushing guys. Tulong flank
One
here.
on site, one warrior on site.
Help flank A1. We need to hold A1 guys.
Newton on A1. Many Newton on A1, guys.
A1 na.
Let's go A1, let's go A1.
A1 guys. Some of base team flank flank A1 guys. Just flank. But don't not everyone will leave. Focus A1 guys. Docu team, let's go. We need to push it. It's high points guys. I'm gonna enter.
Killing.
Nakapwesto na
Let's push
yung Newton sa A1.
They're trying to plant B-strap
Bakit
now. Try throw Bial in A1. They're bleeding. Everyone is bleeding here. I'm also bleeding I'm gonna die. Someone change with me. A1, you need to step.
Sa A1, may panghil ako dito eh.
Bisap. Tina-clear nata. Bisap.
Backline.
Pakita mo, Tadashi, mag-focus ka.
Oy, one here.
Ayun na, heal sa A1.
A1
B-strap.
Flank team. You need
Yan
to
lang kayo
flank,
sa loob,
don't
yan
let
lang
them
kayo sa
stay.
loob. Ako bahala mag-get
Okay.
sa
Only one warrior Chok, tulong ka mag-flank pa ng A1. How hits mo din. Pero bantay mo mabuti yung B1. Let's go.
Sige, ako na ba
Docu
dito
team,
sa loob.
don't forget. We're gonna take north side. We need to commit guys Just follow command.
Okay po.
Don't be scrambled, don't die.
Ipon lang may mikre ulit. Baka may panghil ako.
Kunin nyo na yung Newton side soul. Ayun oh. Malapit sa hill. Ay,
Pumasok sa A1.
Help.
Coming.
Ito nag-FT. Dead.
Sige, heal ko kayo.
Ipasok
A1.
Heal ko
Baka
kayo
mang
sa
boto
A1.
bayad.
Don't forget to use Bial so we can easily burst it.
Heal ko kayo nasa A1. Ako bahala sa
Puro
inyo.
isang warrior na yun Dead.
Contra A1 Time check
Ipaparating
for
ulit, ipaparating ulit.
high points. This docu is 5 points.
2 minutes in 25 seconds.
Balik ako sa A1, na-burst ako.
Push na kayo natin yan, gang.
Okay, gang.
Hindi mo umaga pa ata, gang. Para hindi na
Try
sila
ko.
makapag-regroup
Dead ako.
gang. Diyan sa hill, oh.
Push them.
Hindi ko alam.
We gonna early push them before dock, so they will scatter. We need to hold later base team and docu team gonna push north side. We need just one people in in B1. One warrior.
Meron sa A1, sa A1, 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 A1.
Everyone gonna push. A1 go.
Patay.
Don't forget to rebuff, guys.
Kunin nyo na yung gang, oh, yung hillside.
We need to push now. 1 minute, guys. Pushing now,
Fucking ina.
Base team, you hear me, guys? You need also to push. You need to help us.
Yung hill...
Only one warrior need to stay in B1. You can leave one hitter also if you want. But we need to control high ground now.
Pa-RG ka na dyan, Sol, sa taas niyan.
Regroup now. North side, docu, north side. 1 minute. Let's push this. Let's take control of the area, guys. Let's go.
1 minute
One warrior
bro.
in A1, but the others push. Let's go. We need to take this.
Lalapag ako kay Newable mamaya doon sa dock.
Okay. Push this. Push. Nakagat ko pa dila out.
Bulol.
Let's go, guys. Let's go. Focus north side first. North side, docu.
Na-clear na.
Ano bala sa iyon, gang?
Okay, copy. Everyone, we need to take control. Go use
30
vehicle,
seconds,
guys.
Okay ko.
They're trying to push, Don't die. Right side, they're pushing right side, They're trying to stay away now. But ready for push, hitters. Only,
10 seconds.
we need to check surroundings first before focusing on boss,
10 seconds.
Not everyone will focus here. Some of you
Yung
need to
B-
focus
yung-
on PvP.
Yung B1
Yan yung boss.
Nagpag ako.
Go. Burst,
Binahin ko na.
let's burst. Check outside,
Nasa kabila yung Newton.
I got the dock.
Pasok mo na, ipasok.
Okay. Go push the other dock.
Tol isa.
Ako na. Dead.
Hindi pa tapos, hindi pa patay yung sa kabila.
Hindi, ako
Go.
mauna na ako sa taas.
Wag mo na kayo gang. Wag mo na kayo mag-clash.
Puro Newton dito, gang.
Ay. Guys. Enemy here.
Ayan nyo muna sila mag-clash.
Sige.
Sige, papo sa likod mo ako.
Black Newton,
Ayan nyo lang. Magpitas lang kayo, gang. Magpitas lang kayo ng tao. Ayan nyo yung dock eh.
I'm near the station.
Wala pa na makalaban.
Ang tagal.
Go.
Naka-rusher.
Isa. Aso. Kampas yan din.
Red.
Nakuha ni Rusher isa.
Help me.
Dead na.
Gang, sa amin yung isang dock gang. Help.
Wait, papunta na
Kay
rin ako.
Rusher.
Help other dock now. Other dock. Focus other dock now.
Is Baker.
Other dock now.
Walang mic si Rusher eh.
Newton.
Other dock now.
Base marinig nila ako, man.
Wala
Ang ina mo
wala akong Newable. Wait,
Ay,
lang.
Ganyan talaga yan. Bubo yan. Focus. Other dock.
Bleeding yung dock. Patay yung dock. Newton pa rin.
Gang, habol. Pataon.
Gang,
Ako
habol,
na iwan
gang.
yung... Ako ng...
Focus. Other dock. Use vehicle, guys.
On the way
Pwede ba
to...
mabawasan yan?
Go directly to Newton base, guys.
Hanggang natamp ng kotse. Kaso kunat. Bleeding, patay nyo gang, ayun ang patay.
Die. Take.
Newton ulit.
They still take.
Newton.
Focus it. Docu team. Go here now.
Low na. Wala na shield.
Gang, habol
We can
gang,
take-
low
we
na
can
yan. Mamamatay niyan.
Either. I can
Patay.
take this. Just you need to kill this one.
Ang dami
Wait,
nila
Sol.
doon sa dock.
They're coming, bro.
Bleeding.
Sige.
Ano mo, water
Sol, dampot. Baby.
Makuha mo?
Wala ako
Dead. Take.
Glory.
Angat ka dito, huy. Ang dami siya sa baba.
Ay, nagpo-focus na sila sa occupy
I'm bleeding, I'm bleeding. Other warrior, come with me.
Low din ako eh.
Die. Take.
Glory again.
Aso.
Focus, docu first. Docu team,
Tadashi,
let's
kunin
go.
mo, Tadashi.
Teka, low HP pa ako gang. Kalma, nag-heal pa ako.
Kill niyo yung mga nasa paligid, tandaan bumabaril.
Uy, kunin pa, isa pang tulak gang.
Hey, by God, man.
Glory.
Nandito
Wait,
yung mga Newton sa ano natin sa base banda. Dito sa C1.
Wait lang.
Go guys!
Bye-bye.
Nairusher.
Gago, nag-animation.
Nag-dive.
Ang ina, man.
Tinatawid na ni Rusher gang. Gang, magpakamatay ka na Rusher.
Mamatay naman, gago.
Sige, ako kuha.
Oy,
Other
pokina
side,
mo,
other
balik
side.
mo.
Check map.
Nasa C1
Gang,
sila.
hindi ko makuha ang layo mo.
Dead.
Take.
Glory.
Glory gang, si Art gang.
Kill kita, Art. Sige.
Sige, takbo, malayo.
Oy,
Malayo lang.
tangina,
Sakit
dead
na.
yung vehicle ko, man.
Epas.
Sige. Pero meron dito
GG!
nasa taas. Meron nandito sa taas. Sundan nyo pa si Art. May mga tao pa
May
dito sa taas.
MVP dito gang oh.
GG na boy.
Video na yan gang.
GG.
Okay, mag-stat pad na tayo guys.
Touch talk na ba ni?
Wag, gago.
Hindi ko na makilala yung mga to eh.
Di ka
Kilala mo kasi.
Oy.
Oh, na, di ka rin kilala.
May isa pa.
Gago yung docu gang. Walang harang pa daw.
Okay, go.
Enter.
Go hard.
Pasok. Wala na.
Peace.
GG's.
GG's, guys.
Dapat din yung muna pinasok, man.
GG's, guys.
GG's.
Ano siya rin na guys? Say na. Nanguna ka
Magulo
naman,
natin
Jack.
ng pakalawan, Doc. Okay na. What time? Our next war?
Top 8 pala ako.
Naul.
Pali Art cheat.
Mamaya pang 12 pumps yung next round. Yung time. 12 pa lilito yung bracket.
Hindi, ibig ko sabihin yung time. Di ba lalabas na kagad yung time?
Wait lang. Hindi pa ako nag-exit. Nag-screenshot pa ako ng mga score eh.
Screenshot.
Yung
Wait,
yes.
hindi. Okay na. Online na. Thank you, guys. GG's.
GG's.
Thank you guys. Thank you, Paps.